Now, in this lecture, we are going to start applications of definite integrals. We have studied definite integral. Now, we can use this definite integral to find the area under the curve. Area under the curve can be found by using this application of definite integral. The area A bounded by the curve y is equals to f of x. The x-axis and the coordinates x is equals to a and x is equals to b is given by that is, we can draw this figure. This x-axis, y-axis, origin. Now this is x is equals to a and x is equals to b. Now this is the y is equals to f of x. Now we can find the area of this region which is bounded by the curve y is equals to f of x is equals to a and x is equals to b, these ordinates and this x-axis in this way, that is a is equals to integration from x is equals to a to x is equals to b y dx, or we can write that is nothing but a to b f of x dx. Again, the area A of a curve or bounded by the curve x is equals to g of y, y-axis and the coordinates y is equals to c and y is equals to d, that is, can draw this figure. This is the curve x is equals to g of y. Now this area of this region which is bounded by the curve x is equals to g of y, y-axis and the ordinates c is equals to c and d is given by a is equals to integration from c to d, that is, we can say y is equals to c to y is equals to d x dy, or this is nothing but c to d g of y dy. In this way we can find the area bounded by this curve and this curve, that is, when the curve is given y is equals to f of x is equals to a, x is equals to b, these two coordinates and x-axis, we can find out the area of that region by this formula, And when we have to find the area of region bounded by the curve x is equals to g of y axis, and the ordinates y is equals to c and y is equals to d, we can use this formula, that is a is equals to integration from y is equals to c to y is equals to dx dy, or it is nothing but integration from c to d g of y dy. Now area bounded by two curves, area bounded by two curves. Suppose we are given these two curves, their point of contacts are x is equals to a to x is equals to b. Now equation of this curve is y2 is equals to f2x, and equation of this curve is y1 is equals to f1x, and we have to find the area between these two curves, and this can be find out. A is equals to integration from a to b f1x dx minus integration from a to b f2x dx, or this can be written as integration from a to b y1 minus y2 dx. And again, area bounded by these two curves, if curves are given like this, that is x1 is equals to f1y, x2 is equals to f2y, and this is C and this is D. Then area of this region bounded by these two curves x1 is equals to f1y and x2 is equals to f2y is given by integration from C to D, that is f, or we can take suppose here g1y and g2y, that is integration from C to D g1 y dy minus integration from C to D g2y into dy, or this can be written as integration from C to D x1 minus x2 dy. These are the formulas to find the area bounded by two curves. Now take down one example from the textbook. Find the area bounded by find the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to x square plus 2 sorry find the area bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square y axis and y is equals to 0 to y is equals to what? Now solution: given equation is of parabola x square is equals to y. Now this can be written as x is equals to root of y. We can plot this. Now here x square is even, therefore this parabola is symmetric about y axis. This is the figure of this parabola x square is equals to y. Now we have to find the area of this region, that is y is equal to x square, or this parabola y axis, this one, and y is equals to 0. This is here y is equals to 0 to y is equals to 1. Now that is this region. Therefore area A is equal to integration from y is equals to 0 to y is equals to 1, that is x is equals to root y x into dy. This is equals to, now value of x is root y 0 to 1 root of y into dy. This can be written as y raised to half integration from 0 to 1 dy. Now integration of y raised to half is y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 0 to 1, and therefore a is equals to 2 by 3, that is the reciprocal of this y raised to 3 by 2 into 0 to 1 is equals to 2 by 3 as it is. Substituting upper limit 1 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2, it is nothing but 2 by 3 into 1 minus 0, that is any power of 1 is 1, hence 2 by 3, a is equals to 2 by 3, and therefore we can write square units, because area is calculated in square units. Take down next example. Find the area of circle x square plus y square is equals to 25. Now we have to find the area of this circle. Let me plot this circle. Zero or origin. Now this is x square plus y square is equals to 25. It means that r is 5. Therefore we can get 5 comma 0, 0 comma 5. Now taking this, the part of the circle from first quadrant, that is we can write this is A and this point is B. Now therefore area of circle is equals to 4 times area of sector AOB. Now equation of circle is given here, x square plus y square is equals to 25. This can be rewritten as y square is equals to 25 minus x square, and therefore y is equals to under root of 25 minus x square. Therefore area is equals to 4 into area of sector. This sector we have to find. The limits are integration from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 5, that is 0 to 5 into, or we can write that is y dx. This is equals to 4 into value of y is 0 to 5 under root of 25 minus x square into dx, or this can be written as 4 into 0 to 5 under root of a square minus 5 square minus x square into dx. Now here we use the formula integration of under root a square minus x square dx is equals to x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c. Using this formula to integrate this will give us, therefore I is equals to 4 into, that is x by 2 under root of 25 minus x square plus a square, means 25 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, that is value of a is 5 and limits are 0 to 5. This is equals to 4 as it is. Now substituting upper limit for this one, that is x is equals to 5 by 2 into under root of 25 minus 25 plus 25 by 2 into sine inverse of 5 by 5 minus, substituting lower limit here, x is equals to be 0, gives total term 0, minus this 25 by 2 into sine inverse value of x is 0, gives sine inverse 0. This is equals to 4 into this 5 by 2 into 25 minus 25 0, therefore this is 0, plus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 1 minus sine 25 by 2 into sine inverse 0 is 0, therefore this is nothing but 4 into 0 plus 25 by 2 and sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, because sine pi by 2 is 1, therefore we get pi by 2 minus 0. This is nothing but 4 into 25 pi by 4. This 4 gets cancelled, and hence area is equals to 25 pi square units. This is the area of the circle. X square plus y square is equals to 25. Now for any circle in this we can write for x square plus y square is equals to a square. The area of that circle is also always area is equals to, that is a square pi. You can write area is a square, that is multiply by radius into pi. Find the area under the curve y is equals to sin x from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2 pi. Solution. We have given this curve y is equals to sin x. Now y is equal to sin x. This curve is symmetric about x axis. Plotting this curve, zero, pi, 2 pi. Y is equals to sin x. This is the curve. Now this curve, we divide this in two parts. From first interval, that is 0 to pi, that is the upper side, and pi to 2 pi, lower side of the lower part of the curve. Therefore we divide, since this curve is symmetric about x axis, therefore we divide the area of curve from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2 pi in two regions, in two parts by intervals zero to pi and pi to 2 pi. that is a is equals to 2 times 0 to pi y dx. Therefore, this is equals to 2 into 0 to pi. Now, value of y is sin x dx. This is equals to 2 as it is. Integration of sin x is minus cos x 0 to pi. Therefore, this is equals to minus 2 into cos x 0 to pi minus 2 into, substituting upper limit, x is equals to pi, that is the cos pi minus cos 0. This is nothing but minus 2 into cos of pi is minus 1 minus cos of 0 is 1. Therefore, minus 2 into minus 2 is equals to plus 4, and hence a is equal to 4 square units. Find the area. Next example. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square is equals to 4x and its latus rectum. Solution. Now we have to find the area bounded by parabola y square is equals to 4ax. And the latus rectum and its latus rectum. Which is nothing but x is equals to a. Therefore, this can be written as y is equals to under root of 4ax, or this is nothing but 2 under root a root x, or you can write 2a raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2. Now, or this can be plotted. This is the parabola, and this is L dash is the latus rectum. Now we have to find area of this region which is bounded by this parabola y square is equals to 4ax and this latus rectum x is equals to a. Now area of the parabola or area of required region is given by, now this is, we can take the limits for this x is equals to 0 to x is equals to a, and this is nothing but it is given parabola is symmetric about x axis. Therefore we can take area of required region to integration from 0 to a y dx. This is equals to 2 as it is 0 to a, value of y is 2a raised to half x raised to half dx. This is the value of y, hence 2 into 2 4 a raised to half constant 0 to a x raised to half dx. This is nothing but 4 a raised to half into x raised to 3 by 2 0 to a is equals to 4 a raised to half a raised to 3 by 2 minus 0, and this is nothing but 4 a raised to half into a raised to 3 by 2. This is nothing but 4 a raised to 4 by 2 or 4a square. This is the area, integration 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and this is nothing but 2 into 8 by 3. This is 8 by 3 a square. We take one more example. Please. Find the area between the parabola y square is equals to 4ax and x square is equals to 4ay. Solution for this: we have to find the area between these two parabolas. Therefore, given parabolas are y square is equals to 4ax. This is one, and second one is x square is equals to 4ay. Now solving equation 1 and 2, that is substituting value of y here, or from equation 2 we can write, therefore x square by 4a is equals to y. Substituting this value here, x square by 4a bracket square is equals to 4ax, and therefore x raised to 4 by 16a square is equals to 4ax. That is squaring this, x square is x raised to 4, 4a square is 16a square. Therefore this is nothing but x raised to 4 is equals to 64a cube x, and therefore x raised to 4 minus 64a cube x is equals to 0. Taking x common, x cube minus 64a cube is equals to 0. That means that x is equals to 0, or x cube minus 64, or this can be written as 4a cube is equals to 0. Therefore we have x is equals to 0, or x minus 4a is equals to 0, and we have 2 points, that is x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 4a. We get x is equals to a, 0 and 4a. Now when if x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 0. Therefore 0, 0, and if x is equals to 4a, then this y becomes, that is 4a square by 4a is equals to 4a, and that is nothing but 4a comma 4a. That is, these curves intersect each other in 2 points, that is 0, 0 and 4a, 4a. Therefore we can plot this. Y square is equals to 4ax, and this is nothing but x square is equals to 4ay, and we have to find the area of this region. Therefore this is nothing but 4a, this is x is equals to 0. Now we have to find area of this region. Therefore area of region is equals to integration from 0 to 4a, that is y1 minus y2 dx is equals to 0 to 4a y1, that is, from this we can write y is equals to under root 4ax, and this is nothing but under root of 4ax minus y2, that is integration from 0 to 4a x square by 4a dx. This is equals to under root 4a, taking out of the integral 0 to 4a root x dx minus 1 by 4a 0 to 4a x square dx. This is equals to 2 root a into integration of root x is x raised to 3 by 2 0 to 4a minus 1 by 4a integration of x square is x cube, 0 to 4a. Therefore, this is equals to 2 root a into upper limit is 4a raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4a into 4a cube, that is 4a bracket cube minus 0 okay. Now erasing this side, a is equals to 2 root a into 4a into root 4a minus 1 by 4a into 64a cube. This is equals to 2 root a into 4a into 2 root a minus this 4 and this 16 gets cancelled, that is the 16a square. This 2 into 4, 8 into 2, that is 16, and root a, that is a into a minus 16a square is equal to 16a square minus 16a square. A minute. Sorry. By 3, that is, this will give us 12. Therefore, this will give us 16 by 3, and this is nothing but 48 minus 16 into a square by 3 is equals to 32 by 3 a square. This is the area of given region.